गुड मॉर्निंग सोना। हम लोग तुम्हारे स्कूल के बाहर आ चुके हैं और आज आपका प्रेजेंटेशन है।
टाइमिंग था 8:10 पे, हम लोग 8 बजने में 10 मिनट बाकी तब पहुंच गए।
और मम्मा कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चे से ज्यादा तो मेरे पेट में गुदगुदी हो रही है।
हैं तो मिलते हैं अभी, जद्दोजहद करेंगे, आगे बैठने की कोशिश करेंगे।
मेरी सीट ले लेते
तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा, देखिए अपना आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट कि मैं आगे बैठ पाऊँ और अच्छे से अच्छा सभी के बच्चों का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करूं और जिससे एक अच्छा वीडियो सभी के पास पहुंचे। तो कोशिश करते हैं और मिलते हैं अब प्रेजेंटेशन रूम में। थैंक यू। गार्ड साहब बहुत मेहनत करते हैं ये, और इतना समझाने के बाद भी जो है गार्जियन मानते नहीं हैं। गार्ड साहब क्या करें, डंडा उठाया करिए।
हम लोग अगर डंडा ले लेंगे तो हम ही लोग मार खा जाएंगे।
एक्साइटेड हो सभी लोग? एक साथ चीयर करो। कैसे हो? अच्छा करोगे तुम लोग? बेस्ट ऑफ लक। कैसा लग रहा है आपको? अच्छा लग रहा है? आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आपको कैसा लग रहा है? और सभी को कैसा लग रहा है? एक्साइटेड? गुड। आप क्या करोगे? क्या करोगे आप? आप क्या करोगे कली? क्या करोगी? क्या करोगी? आप क्या करने वाली हो? और आप क्या करने वाली हो? What is your name? Anvika. Thank you for welcoming Anvika. Which class you are? Thank you Anvika. आप वेलकम कर रहे हो। वाला शूट नहीं हो पाया था।
बहुत एक्साइटेड है कि आज कैसा परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं बच्चे।
बच्चे बैठे हुए
मेहनत बहुत की है लोगों ने।
हाँ बहुत 2 महीने से अभी आगे फैल लिया। कैसा लग रहा है?
टाइम से हम लोग टाइम से पहले ही गए। हाँ, तो आप 8 बजे पहले निकले। मैं आप और आपकी बेटी सबसे पहले क्लास में आते हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Our respected principal ma'am Juliet Mary, our vice principal ma'am Shoma Banerjee ma'am, our student senior advisor ma'am Anurakti Chopra, and our primary wing coordinator Sangeeta Sharma ma'am. And a very warm good morning to all the wonderful people present here today. It's a pleasure to start the class presentation of class 2C by heartily welcoming everybody present here. The topic of my presentation is Go Green and Save the Earth. Green has become quite a popular color in recent years. It seems everywhere you look, people are talking about Go Green, from advertising campaign to operational strategies. Companies worldwide have been implementing Go Green initiatives. Go Green towards our nature. To shift our thinking towards being green, we first need to educate practices. Going green can have a positive impact on environmental and quality of our lives. And now I would like to give
Thank you much. Prayer is the channel of communication between our souls and God. God speaks to us through His words. We respond to Him through our prayer, and He always listens to us. So let's start our program with the prayer. बूंद बूंद मिलके बने सागर.
खिड़की भी खोल दो।
India views on Go Green and Save the Earth. Go Green and Save the Earth emphasizes the urgent need to protect our planet by adopting sustainable practices. It highlights the importance of reducing waste, conserving resources, and minimizing our environmental impact to ensure a healthy planet for future generations. The health of our planet Earth is facing unmatched challenges due to human activities. We see the effects of pollution, deforestation, and climate change all around us. But there is hope by embracing the concept Go Green. We can collectively work towards a sustainable future. Go Green is more than just a slogan, it's call to action. It's about making conscious choices in our daily lives that minimize our environmental footprint. This includes reducing our consumption of resources, reusing and recycling materials, and opting for eco-friendly alternatives. Here, how we can contribute. Reduce. We can start by reducing our consumption of single-use plastic, minimizing food waste and conserving energy and water. Reuse. We can reuse items like shopping bags, water bottles and containers. Recycle. Proper recycling helps conserve resources and reduces landfill waste. Thank you.
Conserve. We can conserve water by fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and using water-efficient appliances. We can also conserve energy by turning off lights, unplugging electronics, and using public transportation or biking instead of driving. Thank you.
Plant trees. Trees are vital for clean air and a healthy ecosystem. Planting trees and protecting existing forests is a crucial for combating climate change. Thank you. Educate. We can spread awareness about environmental issues and encourage others to adopt sustainable practices. Thank you. By taking these steps, we can create a positive impact on our environment. Remember, even small actions, when multiplied by the collective effort of many, lead to significant change. Let us all commit to Go Green and work together to save our planet for ourselves and for future generations. Thank you. Before you all that is these are real lifelines. It is a beautiful sunny day. The little daffodils in woods are welcoming the bloom. God created man and he was provided a beautiful world for humans to live comfortably. But humans have destroyed the beauty of nature. Relating this, let's see and learn from upcoming skits. Trees are real lifeline. Oh, what a I select this tree. The woodcutter started sharpening his axe. Stop! What are you doing? Explaining. I will die. I am going to cut you. I can sell you and get more money for my livelihood. And later on, I will cut the other trees. Ha ha ha! See, man, I am very happy to die because I will be useful to you in many ways. So what should I do? See, being a tree, I am having selfless service. But as a human being, you don't have any thought for other living things created by Almighty. We help you in many ways. Like, we stop soil erosion by holding the soil. We bring rainfall. We provide home for the wildlife. We provide medicines and guns. We provide timber for various things. We are good for the students and we provide pulp from which paper is made. And above all, we provide life-giving gas that is oxygen. I agree to all of you that you sustain life in the ecosystem, but we humans also need trees for our survival, and without cutting you, it's not possible. We know that we the trees have been created by God to serve the mankind, but in return, we only want a promise from yours that whenever you cut a tree, make sure that you plant at least 2 saplings so that the balance of our ecosystem can be maintained. Thanks for making me aware. I will keep up my promise. Thank you. Now, some of my friends are going to recite a Hindi poem that is धरती की बस यही पुकार. बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार, आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, अपनी धरती हरित बनाएं, धरती पर हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, पेड़ धरती की शान है, जीवन की मुस्कान है, पेड़ पौधों को पानी दे, जीवन की नई निशानी दे, आओ पेड़ लगाएं हम, पेड़ लगाकर जग महकाकर जीवन सुखी बनाएं हम, आओ पेड़ लगाएं हम, आओ पेड़ लगाएं हम. धन्यवाद. Now, my friends, I wish to tell you some important actions to be taken for healthy planet. Only planet in the universe that has life in this universe. air, sunlight, and more. Humans have been exploiting the planet for their greed. This has caused a lot of atrocities such as the global warming, unnatural disasters, etc. Thank you. We should plant more trees. Thank you. We should stop hunting animals to meet our selfish needs, which affects the ecological balance. We should follow the 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. Thank you. Our family goal should be saving natural resources, water and the environment. Thank you. We should also spread awareness regarding saving the earth among the public. Save energy at home. Much of our electricity and heat are powered by coal, oil and gas. Thank you. Let's do all of our efforts work towards protecting and saving our planet. The project taken up by government. First, Clean Ganga Mission. Second, Swachh Bharat Mission. Third, National Plan for Conservation of Aquatic Ecosystems. That is NPC. Stop class and enjoy the upcoming dance presentation. That is Say No to Plastic.
इसका जूम ठीक है, इसका जूम ठीक है, हाँ वो कर लेंगे। God bless. हाँ पता है, वो उसके हिसाब से चलता है ना।
Recycle bin use me. Use eco-friendly bags. Reduce, recycle and reuse. Thank you. मोहन रोज पौधे को पानी देता था। पौधा बड़ा होने लगा। कुछ समय बाद आम के पेड़ में मोर आ गए। कोयल आकर आम के पेड़ पर कुहू कुहू गीत गाने लगी। मोहन अब आम के पेड़ के नीचे बैठकर पाठ याद करता। पर मोहन के पिता को एक परेशानी थी। जब भी आम के पेड़ पर कल लगते तब बाहर के बच्चे पत्थर मारकर आम तोड़ने की कोशिश करते। रोज रोज की घटनाओं के संग आकर मोहन के पिता ने पेड़ कटवाने का निश्चय कर लिया। मोहन, मैं इस पेड़ को कटवा दूंगा। पिताजी, इस पेड़ को मत कटवाइए, यह मेरा दोस्त है। एक दिन पेड़ काटने वाले कुल्हाड़ी लेकर आ गए। आओ भैया, इस पेड़ को जल्दी काटो। मोहन पेड़ के तले से लिपट जाता है और रोने लगता है। पिताजी, इस पेड़ को मत कटवाइए, यह मेरा दोस्त है। सारी जहरीली गैस लेकर यह हमें साफ हवा देता है, ठंडी छाया और मीठे फल भी देता है, और तो और हमसे बदले में कुछ भी नहीं लेता है। इतने में मोहन की माँ आ जाती है। मोहन कहता तो ठीक है, ये पेड़ तो बस हमें देते ही है, लेते कुछ नहीं, ये दाता है। फिर क्यों ना मोहन की बात मान ली जाए। तुम ठीक कह रहे हो मोहन, अब मैं आपका पेड़ नहीं काटने दूंगी। तुम दोनों पेड़ काटने वाले, जाओ यहाँ से, हमें पेड़ नहीं कटवाना। हमें क्यों बुलाया? हमारे समय बर्बाद कर दिया है। अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, जाओ। हाँ बेटा, हम गलती कर रहे थे। पेड़ सचमुच हमारे दोस्त हैं, इन्हें काटना ठीक नहीं। पेड़ों से प्यार का रिश्ता जोड़ना भी ठीक है। मेरी अच्छी माँ और मेरे अच्छे पिताजी, आप दोनों ने मेरी बात मानकर मुझे बहुत खुशी दे दी है। पेड़ ना कटने से सारा परिवार खुश हो जाता है। धन्यवाद। Our environment is now facing a number of problems that include global warming. Now let's see what my friends are saying about it. Autogas. Switching to autogas is better for the environment and could cut your running costs. Thank you. Solar power is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electric energy. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant energy source ever. Thank you. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the major indoor air pollutants, and many people still have this life-threatening habit. Although you want to continue with this habit and harm your health, it is definitely unfair to put the health of people around us. Thanks. Prevent the passive smoking by not smoking indoors and while traveling in public transport, etc. Thank you. Say no to plastic. Everyone being aware that plastic bags are one of the biggest contributors to global warming. We still use them quite carelessly and throw them away with organic waste or dump them in the landfill sites. It takes almost 500 years for a plastic bag to decompose, and in the process, it creates many harmful gases. So reducing the use, recycling and reusing the plastic is very important to combat global warming. Thank you. House plant. A house plant not only adds they could finish all the work to be done before sunset. But now with the presence of electricity and artificial lighting, one does not see any need in waking up early. Some reports 35% of energy consumed in a house in India is consumed lighting in a house after sunset. So waking up early is not only going to keep you healthy but also will make you save energy and cut down your electricity bill. Thank you. Conserve water. Water is one basic need of life and it is becoming as scarce so that I will passing day. One should opt to find an apartment which has water harvesting, or if you have your own house, then get water harvesting system installed. Switch to the latest low flush toilets, use shower wisely and run the washing machine and dishwasher to the full load only to decrease wastage of water time. Conserve water. Conserve electricity. It is better to switch to fluorescent light bulb as they consume 35% less energy and have more lasting comparison to incandescent light bulb. Make it a point to defrost your food before you microwave it and let the food cool down to room temperature before you putting it into the refrigerator. Be sure unplug your electronic devices like TV and computer etc. Thank you. Secondly, measurement. It seems the same to do the way measurement when one product in the market has made in 12 years. A stainless steel cylinder the weight of minerals ready available in the market, which is the whole web or the left the poster change and the fertilizer that can do for house plants. Use of transportation. According to studies, 30% of carbon dioxide is added to the environment by private transportation. We understand that using public transportation is not convenient at all times, but one can always carpool. Try the option of walking or cycling. Thank you. Save free by reducing the use of paper. If you are still used by the old-fashioned newspaper, it's hard on you. Switch the internet for news. Try to reuse one-side printed paper by cutting it into two halves to use them for writing. Replace the use of paper tissues by using hand towels. Thank you.
इसको आगे गलत है ना, वो छोटा बड़ा। अच्छा अच्छा
पेड़ों से ही हमारा जीवन है। पेड़ जीवनदायक है, लेकिन वर्तमान में हमें जीवन देने वाले पेड़ों का ही जीवन सुरक्षित नहीं है। आइए सुनते हैं पेड़ों की व्यथा, उनकी जुबानी। आशा है इस लघु नाटक के बाद आप अपना कर्तव्य निभाने के लिए प्रेरित होंगे और पेड़ बचाओ जीवन बचाओ इस पंक्ति को अपने जीवन में अमल करें।
क्लैपिंग करो भाई, क्लैपिंग करो। लेफ्ट। सब यही आ रहे हैं ना।
Come let's enjoy the dance with my friends.
Turn, go.
bench.
We are going to conclude our program by a finale song. That is बहती हवाएं आपको सुनाएं. To motivate my friends to do in the future.
also planted tree, sapling in your home? Yes. Okay. So, ma'am.
Now I hand over the mic to my man to conduct the activity for the parents.
Now is the time for the parents. Now again I will request my ma'am to take out 5 checks from this bowl to all the parents. Go. Now I am going to call 5 chicks are here that ma'am has taken up, and I'm going to call, and both the parents are going to come in. This is a couple game. Okay. First, Bhavya Singh, parents of Bhavya Singh. Both the parents, please. Parents of Bhavya Singh. Both are not there. Okay, let me call other. Tejaswini. Both the parents of Tejaswini. Yes, they are there. Please come, ma'am. Yes, sir. Next is our. Both the parents are sitting in the first row. On the first row. Next.
यहाँ से pause.
Arav Upadhyay. Both the parents are there or single. Let me ask. Brijesh sir. Arav's mother is sitting alone. What should I do? Other parents. Okay. Now, next will be Aditya. Come. Okay, what I am going to do is Aditya mother, and I call the name now in front of just now whose name was there. They both can come. Come. And one more last, Ikra. Yes, come. You are also alone. Acha, Bhavya's parents came or not? No? Okay, then I will call someone. Anvika Pandey. Parents of Anvika Pandey. Yes, they are there. Yes, ma'am. Set. See, parents, this is a couple game. Now both the parents are going to participate in that, holding the spoon in their hands. Okay, one parent will pass the ball with the help of skew to the other. Okay, and what other parent is going to do? That parent, second parent, will keep the ball, place the ball on the pole. Now we are going to show the demo now. Okay.
It's a light ball.
Off with the fan ball.
I'm ready.
You can see the demo now. They are doing the demo. Sit down.
Finish.
The couple that places 5 balls first will be the winner. Okay?
विक्रम 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 हाँ चलो विक्रम ए इधर से चल को सर
Okay. Now I am going to call one more parent. Okay. Okay. Now let me call something. I've taken out the check. Now, Kushag Upadhyay, parents of Kushag Upadhyay. Sir, you are also alone.
White, orange, yellow, and last white. Ready, all of you? Ready? Start.
Parents of Tejaswini was the first, this one. No, both are together, so yes. Tejaswini and Anmika Pandey. Okay, both. Thank you.
I would like to thank you all for coming and attending our class presentation. Your presence gave us confidence to perform so well today. Thank you all for being a lovely audience. It was because of your support. Today's program went so well. And now I hand over the mic to my ma'am.
थैंक यू दीदी
Thank you, parents, for giving your precious time to us. Thank you very much. Again, once again.
मैम
Now I would like to call our director ma'am to please come and bless my children. Please.
Good morning, parents. First of all, thanks for coming and motivating our children. I think you will agree it was a wonderful program
यस मैम
and with a very good message. And each child spoke so well. They were so long sentences, they are still very small. It's only class 2. And I think none of them forgot anything. They were confident and very well trained, managing things on their own. And few of them were instructing also on the stage. If anybody forgot, they were instructing each other. but each of them was very well trained. So thank you, Tyra, for training them so well and very well done, children. You have learned a good message today, na? So I'm sure you are going to follow this. Whatever you have learned, say no to plastic, save energy, and so many things you have learned. Will you follow? How many of you switch off the lights when you leave your room at home? Everybody. Oh, very good. Parents, I think, are they correct? They are doing this at home when they are leaving the room, they are switching off the lights.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a good, very good children. Good children. And thank you, Aditya. I think the last one was Aditya. That was composed by Aditya, our music teacher. So thank you,
Clapping.
Aditya, for the lovely song. I'm sure children, as they grow up, they will be more confident. You must have seen the change in them. From playgroup, some of them are studying, some of them are studying from nursery. But every year we find some change in them. So I'm sure as they grow up, they will be very confident with a good personality and they will do very well in life. God bless you all, children, and let us thank the parents with a Springdale clap for coming and helping them in. You must have also contributed for these dresses you have brought for them and whatever little training they must be practicing every day at home, I'm sure.
Ma'am, whole day.
Whole day. Yes. Presentation is a big thing for them and they are all preparing for you all. So thank you, children, and God bless you all. Now we have to have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They are finished. They are finished.
Now you will do once again. Start.
Thank you. God bless you.
Now I would like to call our principal ma'am. Please come and bless to my children, ma'am.
Good morning, dear parents and loving children. You conveyed a great message, and the most beautiful one was they made possible that even inside the concrete hall you can plant a tree. Very good message you have conveyed. So, like ma'am has asked you first, do you switch off all the fans at home? Then in the school also we have to begin from our side. Okay? Then let us all pledge. We begin. Even switching off one fan, one light makes a difference. We save the electricity and everything depends on the natural resource that is what your procedure. Thank you for, and our blessings are always with you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, sorry, I forgot. Now parents go to one. Come and please bless my children. Yes.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू प्रिंसिपल मैम, डायरेक्टर मैम। बच्चों ने जो किया मतलब हमका कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत कम होता है, होल कंट्रीब्यूशन गोज टू टाइम मैम ओनली, क्योंकि शायद हमें घर में मतलब बिल्कुल मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती है लोगों के ऊपर। जो भी सिखाते हैं यही सिखाते हैं। हम लोग देखते हैं घर में, मम्मा मैं ये करने वाली हूँ, मम्मा हम लोग ये करने वाले हैं, कुछ भी घर पे बिल्कुल नहीं कराना पड़ता है। और जो डायरेक्शंस और जो कोऑर्डिनेशन इतना बढ़िया, वो सब भी मुझे लगता है मतलब मैम की वजह से ही है। और मेरी बेटी तो प्ले ग्रुप से अभी तक है, जो चेंजेस मैं देख रही हूँ, पहले बच्चे सिर्फ वन लाइन पे थे, नाउ दे आर गोइंग टू गिव अ वेरी गुड स्टेट एंड ऑल, दे आर एबल टू डू दिस। दिस इज very good thing that I can see here. Thank you, ma'am. any other parents say?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम और गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर पेरेंट्स जो भी बोले। थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम इतना अच्छा प्रिपरेशन कराने के लिए, क्योंकि हम घर पर देख रहे हैं कि जो भी ये प्रिपेयर करते हैं यहाँ पर, नहीं मामा मैम ने ऐसा ही बोला है, तो अगर मैम ने वैसा ही बोला है तो वो वैसा ही परफॉर्म करते हैं, उनको चेंजेस नहीं कर रहे हैं। और थैंक यू मैम, सारी मैम का थैंक यू कि इतना अच्छा हमारे सारे बच्चों को ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं कि उन्हें यहाँ आने से डर नहीं लगता। जब वो आते हैं तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं, मुझे जाना है। मैंने एक दिन बेटी से कहा थोड़ा सा ये लो, आप रेस्ट कर लो। सी सेड नो मामा, मैम का एक भी दिन एब्सेंट नहीं होना क्योंकि आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन आने वाली है। तो मैम ये लगन बच्चों में होनी चाहिए कि हम लोग मना करते हैं, वो आना चाहते हैं, नहीं मम्मा मुझे ये परफॉर्म करना है। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल दीज टाइप ऑफ काइंडनेस एंड लविंगनेस। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Some other parents want to say something.
बच्चों को इतना अच्छा ट्रेन करने के लिए, और मैं जैसे सभी बच्चों को थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ कि इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए और इतने लॉन्ग सेंटेंस को लर्न करने के लिए। और स्पेशली थैंक मैं आदित्य सर को भी कहना चाहती हूँ इतना अच्छा म्यूजिक कंपोज करने के लिए। एक्चुअली मेरी जो डॉटर है अनिका पांडे, वो जो उनकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा उनको प्रेस करती थी, सर इतना अच्छा म्यूजिक प्ले करते हैं, उनका वन हैंड, फिर भी वो इतना अच्छा हम लोग को ट्रेन कर रहे हैं। तो स्पेशली थैंक यू ऑल टीचर्स एंड एवरी चिल्ड्रन एंड एवरी पेरेंट्स टू सेंड देयर चिल्ड्रन ऑन टाइमली टू स्कूल। थैंक यू सो मच।
मैम आप कुछ बोलिए सर प्लीज बच्चों के लिए।
चीज अगेन।
हाँ चीज हो। थैंक यू। सुनो 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 आरू, अरे तुम लोग खड़े हो जाए। आप लोग खड़े हो फोटो खींचते हैं। कली रुको, कली देखो यार, कली देखो, कली देखो। वेरी गुड। सोना खड़ी हो। वाह आप भी खड़े हो जाओ, आप भी खड़े हो जाओ, आ जाओ। और बच्चों आप भी आ जाओ, सब लोग आ जाओ। वाह को परफॉर्मेंस हाँ बहुत अच्छा किया आप लोगों ने। हाँ हो ये है।
मैं कहने जा रही कैसे लेने। लव यू बेबी।
आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया, पता है।
पैर में बॉटल लेके जाओ, गो मैम कह रही, गो 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 मैम आ रही, जल्दी जाओ, गो बेबी, लव यू।
So presentation is over.
Yes, and now finally we got 2 bags.
2 bags.
हर बार हम लोग का नाम गेम्स में आता ही आता है। ये
और गेम्स में आता भी है, हम लोग खेलते भी हैं,
हाँ, और जीतते भी हैं।
जीत भी जाते हैं। चलो, थैंक यू टू स्प्रिंगडेल कॉलेज और मैम,
एंड थैंक यू ताहिरा मैम।
ताहिरा मैम को तो मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स बोलूँगा कि बहुत अच्छे से टीच कर रही हैं बच्चों को, अच्छे सिखा रही हैं। और स्पेशली जो प्रिंसिपल मैम हैं और डायरेक्टर मैम हैं, आप लोग इसी प्रकार से सर्व जो कर रहे हो, बच्चों के अंदर जो टिकेट्स आ रहे हैं, उनके अंदर लर्निंग एबिलिटीज़ जो आ रही हैं, ग्रो कर रहे हैं बच्चे, और उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक्स मैम। और नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर से मिलते हैं आपको। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।